Hello! Today we're going to write 2 sentences. So sitting up nice and straight and tall with your paper and pencil. Make sure you've got a good place to write so that you can use your best handwriting. The first sentence that we're going to write is tip it over. Will you say that with me? Tip it over. The first word in our sentence is tip. Give me the sounds. We have t, I, p. When we write a sentence, what do we always have to put at the beginning of the sentence? A capital letter. So that capital T needs to be used. Our capital T starts at the top, goes straight down. We pick up our pencil and then we make a horizontal line at the very top. T, I, good. Tip. What's the next word? It. Good. Let's sound it out. It. Before we write it, what do we have to put? We have to put a space. So we put our finger down so that we don't write there. We move over and we write it. Good. Tip it over. Good. Okay, we have O and ver. Okay, our first syllable, O, we know what that is. And then the of her. We write them all together when we're writing. What do we put here? A space. Good. And then we write O, Read the whole sentence with me. Tip it over. Good. That's the end. So what do we need to put? A period. Excellent. So we put a period right at the end. That tells the person that's reading that this is the end. Excellent job. The next sentence is up fly the birds. Say that with me. Up fly the birds. The first word in our sentence is up. Good. Give me the sounds. Up. Oh. What do we always put at the beginning of a sentence? A capital letter. So we need the capital A. All right. Looks just like the lowercase, except it uses all of the space. And then P. Good. Up, what? Fly. Give me the sounds. We have F, O, I, which is our Y, I. So we're going to put our finger down to make a space between our words. And then we're going to write F, O, I. Good. You're doing such a good job with our sentences. Up, fly, the or the. It's easier to sound it out as the. So here we go. E. Remember our what do we put before we write this word? We make a space, don't we? Of one round letter. So put your finger down so you can kind of figure it out. Move over and write E. That helps us to know where the words start and stop by our spaces. So it's very important to have those spaces. Up, fly, the, what's the last word? birds. Give me the sounds. Here we go. We've got B, D, Z. This is our the of first, and this is our S, Z. So here we go. We're going to make a space of one round letter, and it looks like I need some more space. If you run out of space on your paper, you can always go down to the next line. B, D, Z. Is this the end of our sentence? Yes, it is. So what do we need to put at the end of a sentence? A period. Did you remember? I'm so proud of you remembering. Okay, let's read all of the sentences that we wrote today. Tip it over. Up fly the birds. Excellent writing. Draw me a picture that matches these sentences and then share it with me so that I can see your great writing. All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.